PT1. Another day of finished up on the kitchen sink in my tiny one-bedroom apartment.
Girl, do our thing. Gotta make the place for the hole. So I have to cut out a little piece of this bit. See that hole right there? Yeah. But even though when I cut out that hole to put and I put the faucet in, it needs that bit. So I have to take out maybe 3/4 inch of the 2x4. You know? Oh, woo! Itch. Fatty. So there we go. Alright, hold on. Shit, I had it. Yep. So the kitchen is being used, so I have just a little bit of area. Oh yeah, I think I rolled that the wrong way. Nope. So I test it. So when I put it in, I have enough room under here for this bit, so my hand can work right under here. But I'm gonna install this because you know I lose the thing. When I had bought this a while back, I used it at a different location, and when I installed it, I lose the thing that you push up in here, and I lost it. So when Peebo came last year and installed the new pipe into my thing, or early this year sometimes, he said I lost that thing, and he had was to search his thing for one, and I don't have one, so I need enough room under the bottom. Yeah, I'm sweating till it's dripping off my hair. That's why I don't let out my hair in styles or flat iron it or stuff, because water drip off my hair when I sweat. So to take this off, yep, and you have to go up in there. So I just hope I can pull this one off. Alright, so I did put these on because I had to make sure I have the right ones. So this I think this go under here, to the top of here. I don't remember. I know you're gonna say no. Does it? No, it just out on it a little bit too much. So I think when I do that, the thing will hold it in place. Hold it on. Let me do this and get back to you. Oh, before I forget, I need to order a soap dispenser. And when it comes, I gotta take this back off, install it, the soap dispenser. Where is the hole? And this is where the technical part comes in. To push this thing up into this hole to hold down the faucet. Yeah, that's the hard part. Anyone from Ocho area, okay? You're a plumber, you're watching my videos. I need help, please, and I'm not joking about it. Anyone have that long thing you put down in here to tighten that nut? Please, I need assistance. Because I lost it. You know when you buy the pipe, you get it? I lost it and I need to tighten that.